Morning, guys. We are on our way up to Lime Rock today for the Gears in Heaven Celebration of Life. We will be doing some track runs today alongside of an awesome car show. It's going to be a really cool event. Let's hope we can keep the rain away for a while. And yeah, so this is going to be awesome. This is the second Gears in Heaven Celebration of Life. Me and Hibiscus Motorsports and a bunch of other people are sponsoring it this year. So let's go have an awesome time. Family Volvo time.
Yes, family Volvo time.
You know which way the track goes?
Yeah, I was in the track built Miata before. Bring out the other car just to have some fun.
Alright.
You ready?
Just wanted to make sure.
Yeah.
This wasn't out here yet.
Yeah. I come up here a lot for different autocrosses and stuff.
There you go.
The brakes! This thing does not have brakes compared to the Miata. The body roll! Come on, old girl, go! Woohoo! Oh my God! Woo! Slow down! All-wheel drive is definitely helping us.
How are you feeling?
This old girl's actually handled pretty well. Miatas, I'm beating you! Shut up.
Was that to the car?
That was to the tires. Oh no. We made it!
A little kiss of dirt. A chef's kiss, if you would.
These tires are getting hot.
Yeah.
Alright, maybe a couple more laps and we're off.
A couple?
These tires are getting too toasty, dude. They ain't built for this, I'll be honest.
We're failing.
These tires ain't built for this.
I hope they're getting fucking pictures of it.
Dude, some guy yelled, yeah! When we lined up, because, you know, you don't see, dude, you do not, oh, hat!
Give me your hat.
You don't see wagons going on the track very often, now do you? Now, see, I'm beating that Supra, guys. I'm beating the Supra. I swear he's not just letting off with me. Dude, this is nothing for the B70 at all. I was like, we're getting brake fade, too. We're getting back. Tire?
Maybe this should be our last lap.
One more.
We'll be fine,
more.
Melissa.
One more.
Don't be a baby.
Come on,
I'm
turn.
sorry,
Come on,
I
turn.
want to
Come on,
live.
turn. There we go.
Woo!
Smells just like Meemaw used to make.
Just put some rubber
Rubber.
down. That's about it. Just put some good old-fashioned rubber down.
I didn't.
There we go. There we go. What a turn.
I can't see how I'm aiming.
I'm putting my foot in it now, baby. She doing good. She doing good. I swear she's doing okay. Not me. I mean, this baby ripping. This baby calling shit. All right, we're done. Oh, God.
Don't kill the puppy.
Almost ran over the cones. All right, we're done.
Okay, so as you can see, we had another successful day at Lime Rock, my first track day. It went pretty good with the Gears in Heaven celebration of life. So I think we learned a few things today. Sorry, the wind is really bad. We learned a few things. So as you guys know, the only thing we have done is a shifter, tires, and an oil pan. Just the necessities. But I can definitely see a lot of places the MR2 needs work. There's an immense amount of body roll. The oversteer is real. I understand that you know, MR2s are kind of known for oversteer, so you know, the oversteer is going to be an issue a little bit, which we'll work on, and definitely brakes. So what we're probably going to be doing is in the near future, probably doing coilovers, removing the rear sway bar, and probably replacing all the linkages in the back. You know, the trailing arm and then the control arms in the back. So we'll probably be looking at those, doing some kind of alignment, and hopefully lowering and putting a better coilover and spring rate on the car. And yeah, we'll see if we can get it done before the next track day, and we'll go from there. But I'm pretty happy. We got some good lap times today, and yeah, for a first time out on the track, I think we did a great job. Thanks everybody for watching. See you next time.